Just a quick video to show you how to check my comments. I just left comments on your diagnostic, and it's really important. I only leave comments for this one single purpose, and that is to help you improve as a writer. And we repeat the same kinds of writing tasks. So for the diagnostic, you summarized and responded to the Critical Hope article, and this week, for Sunday night, you're going to do the same for the Unseen Reasons article. So you want to check your comments on the diagnostic to see if you left anything out, so you don't leave that thing out of this week's assignment. So I clicked on grades. I've been the test student, so test student has not been a good student, but I'm going to go down to this assignment and, okay, two things. So the rubric is here. You can click on that if you want a quick explanation as to why you lost points. So you can see here, this response paragraph lost 1 point because the quote wasn't introduced. And then you get more specific information by clicking on the title and then view feedback. And then click on this little expander bar here. That'll make the comments bigger. And you can see the comments. Actually, this is Jasmine's diagnostic, which is great. But I forgot to add one comment down here that has to do with the reason the point was taken away. She didn't introduce her quote, but I'll just kind of put the whole thing on the screen so you can stop and read it if you want. It's really good.